And the fall season brings many traditions with it, like pumpkin spice and Halloween, but it also brings something exclusive to the Ozarks. That's black walnuts, and our Madison Heaver is here with us tonight. Madison, there's some incentive for this hobby as well, is that right?
Yeah, Jesse, starting this week, Hammons Black Walnuts will be accepting black walnuts from people all across the Ozarks. We talked with a local harvester about what the season means to him.
This is one of the best times of the year of all.
We're extreme pickers, I would say.
This is Mike. He gets paid to take these black walnuts to one of Hammons Black Walnuts hulling locations.
We don't really have orchards. We don't rely on commercial orchards. It's pretty much a wild crop. Folks just bring them in as they gather them.
This year, Hammons starts accepting black walnuts on Tuesday.
That's the first day when people will be able to bring in black walnuts that they've picked up by hand all over the Ozarks, all over southwest Missouri and northwest Arkansas, and bring them in to buying stations all over the area.
That's a good walnut too. That's what you want. For weight and size, that's what you want.
Now, folks just pick up the nuts and put them in a pickup truck or a bag, whatever they can haul them in, take them into their nearest location. There's a hulling machine that takes off that green and black hull. The nuts are then weighed, and we pay the person based upon that buying weight. This year, it's the highest price ever, $16 per 100 pounds.
There's probably 1,800 pounds on the trailer, but once hauled, you're looking at about 1,300 pounds right here.
But it's not just about the money.
There are thousands of people all over the Midwest in small communities, rural areas, where the black walnut harvest is something that's very special and creates a lot of memories. A lot of families enjoy doing that together, getting out, enjoying the fall weather, and sometimes work ethic is built.
I do this, me and my 68-year-old mother, we just do this for a hobby. It's my time to spend time with her. We enjoy it.
So is this something you look forward to every year?
Oh yeah, yeah. We've done it here the last 20 years, and it's just a bonding time. Our kids have done it. It's given them extra spending money.
To hear from them their stories of where they pick up the nuts, what they do with the nuts, what they do with the money when they bring in the nuts. We're blessed with the opportunity to do something nobody else in the world gets to do. It's not easy, but we provide a market for the wild black walnuts.
Hammons says a lot of the people use the money made from picking black walnuts to go toward buying Christmas gifts. Jesse?